Okay guys, welcome back. Now in today's lecture I am going to continue the previous task that we have left off from where. Let's insert some data inside the faculty, or we can have already the data from the previous lecture. Yes, we have this data here, one faculty I have already. Now I wanted to add the insert record into my bash table. Okay, so select your bash table and then go to SQL, and then you can directly do the shortcut here. Your insert query will be displayed in front of you, but this is not a good practice. I always recommend you to write your insert query by yourself. So insert and then into, and then the table name, that is badge, and then the columns. So the column name should be badge name and badge FID, and now values, and here you can specify the badge name, let's say 1606 F or G1 or G2, whatever, and then this is the name of the class, and then who is teaching this badge. So we have just seen the records of the faculty. Let me open that in the new tab so that you can be able to view the faculty records. So we have the faculty ID 4. So based on this 4, I am going to insert 4 here, because 4 is the ID of the Hamad faculty. So I am inserting this record now, and apart from this record I am also inserting some other records. So another class, let's say 1804 C1, and then the same faculty is teaching in this batch also. Okay, so I am inserting 2 records inside my bash table. So let us execute this. Look, 2 rows inserted successfully. When we go here, you can see I have now the related records in 2 different tables. I hope it is clear up till now. Okay, and now how can you view this record? For that purpose, let me introduce you a new concept that is known as joins. What are joins? Joins helps you to make your different tables communicate with each other and display the records as per you need. Okay, so how can you apply join, and what are the type of joins? Let me first write here in the notepad. So joins are of 3 or 4 types. The very common joins are inner join and left join and right join, and then we have full join, and we have self join as well when we are applying the relationship with the table itself. So these are the joins that we can be able to apply. What is happening inside inner join? Inner join means the tables that you are going to join together should relate each other, and the related record or the matching record from 2 tables only appear or only fetched out from the database. Let me show you with an example on MS Paint. If I create some circles, let's say this is my first table, and I wanted to create another table right after this, like this. Okay, so this is my table A and this is my table B. If I write here A, and now if I write here B, then it will be fine. So these are my 2 tables, and this area, this particular portion, if I select some tool, let me shade here, this area is the common area between 2 tables. I hope it is clear to everyone. So when you apply inner join, the common records in 2 tables are appeared or displayed when you apply inner join. Okay, common records only from the 2 tables. Okay, here we have badge and here we have faculty. So the common records inside 2 tables are appearing will be appeared in front of you. Now let's talk about the next join, that is the left join. When we talk about left join, all the records from the left hand side table and the related records from the right hand side table are appeared in front of us. Okay, and then let's talk about the right join. When we talk about right join, all the records related to the table 2, that is the B table, and the matching records from the left hand side table are appeared in front of us. Okay, so in left hand side, all the records from the left hand side table are appearing, and in right hand side, all the records from the right hand side are appearing along with the matching records from the opposite side. And in the full join, we are getting all the records from all the tables that we are joining. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone that how joins work and how can we relate to tables. So if I write here select and then all from, and my first table name is faculty, and I am giving here a shortcut name F, let's say, and then this is known as alias, and now write inner join. This is the syntax of inner join, and then you specify your second table, that is badge, and then give here a shortcut name, that is B. Now on what relation you are going to join or combine these two tables, that is f dot faculty ID, and then let me remove this, f dot faculty ID is equals to B dot faculty ID. So I hope it is clear to everyone how we are relating two tables with the common column that we have created. Okay, now see this diagram that I have created. Only this record, only the internal record, the matching records based on these two columns, where the rows match with each other, those records will be fetched out with the help of this. So if I select this query, if I run this query, let's see what will be the result. You can see all the records of all the tables are appearing, but based on the join that we have applied. Okay, now let us do some other stuff. If I write here f dot f underscore name and b dot b underscore name, and like this, so let's see what will happen. You can see only the faculty name and the badge name. So you can see that the information is split into two tables, but here it is combined in front of me, and it is displaying me the result as it is of one table. I hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, so data is coming from two different tables in one single result set. This is the power of inner join. Okay, now let's add some faculty in order to view the joins in more detail. Go to SQL and then write here insert into, and the table name is faculty, and then columns are f underscore name and then f underscore gender. Now values, and then come here inside this and then specify Tahir, let's say, and the gender of Tahir is 1, let's say, and now copy it and then execute it. You can see one more record is inserted. Now let us go on SQL and apply the join again. So select all from faculty, inner join, badge, and then specify on keyword, and then column name, that is f underscore id is equals to b underscore fid. So b underscore it's b dot, okay, let me write the shortcut names in order to identify the columns name. That is why I am specifying the shortcut names. So b dot fid, and then you can now select some records, let's say f dot specify f underscore name, comma, and b dot b name. Remove this batch every time it is coming, no problem, and remove these things from here as well. Now it's fine. Now let us see what is the result. Let us check. Yes, it's fine. Let's go. Okay, it's saying that it is incorrect. Okay, because we have specified the alias. Now let's go. You can see that the faculty that doesn't have any badge is not appearing here, because I have added Tahir, but Tahir does not have the matching records inside the badge table. That's why Tahir is not appearing here. Okay, now it's time to see then if I wanted to display all the faculties, whether he has badges or not, then what I have to do, I wanted to fetch all the records from my left hand side table, that means my faculty table, and I wanted to get only those records that are matching in my right hand side table. So I will apply the left join. So when I apply left join here, what will happen? See the result. If I show you the diagram, the records from the left hand side table, all the records from the left hand side table will come along with the matching records from the right hand side table. So you can see in MySQL here, let us execute and see what is the result. Now you can see all the records from the left hand side table are appearing along with the matching records from the right hand side table, though it exists or not. I hope it is clear to everyone. Same is the case if you apply right join here, then what will happen? All the records from right hand side will appear, and the matching records in the left hand side will only display. Now how can you specify that who is on the right hand side and who is on the left hand side? The table that you have specified before is on the left hand side, and the table that you have specified after is on the right hand side. Simple. Okay, it's a simple logic. Now let's execute this. So you can see now all the records from the right hand side table are appearing, but on the left hand side we have only matching records. I hope it is clear to everyone.